Now I am going to work with the most important section, that is the pricing. You see in the HTML the pricing has some information, that is the pricing name, that is the pricing amount, and also there are some information, for example the pricing facilities, which facility the user will get and which facility he will not get. So everything there will be here. So what will be my table for this, I will show you. There are some pricing facilities, you see, that means this one, etc. But some other information are given that is not unlimited. These things can be unlimited because you can add more items here, not only 4. It is not limited to 4, it can be more items, but this one is fixed. That means the name and then the price and then the buy ticket option. That means actually not buy ticket option, here I will use another system, that is the maximum ticket, because for an event, you know, there is a room, or in a for any event what is happened in the world, for that there will be an accommodation, and accommodation is not actually unlimited in all cases. There are some limitations, for example 50 seats in total, then you can just make that standard package 10 seat, business 10 and premium 30, or in this way you can just distribute the whole packages for any event. So in for this reason there must be a limitation for the package. So each package, standard or business or premium, there must be some limitation. So I will make the limitation also. So there is an ID. If I go to create a table for the package, the name of this page is pricing, but here you see these are actually a package. So I can create a table by the name, that is packages table. So in here I can create a packages table, and what will be the fields? The fields will be, first is ID, then package name, and then there is a package price, it is okay. Maximum tickets, there will be another field, and I will show item order. For example, which one will show first, which one will show after that. So for that reason I will need to have a item order. So total 5 items will be here under the packages table. First one is ID, then there is name, then there is price, then there will be maximum tickets. So maximum, for example maximum tickets, and item order. So as order is a keyword, so here I will use item order. I am going to make this integer, okay. Maximum tickets, this can also be integer, price can also be integer, or if you want you can make it float or double, that is also okay. It can be float or double, and I am not going to do that. Integer is okay for me right now. So the name I am going to put here 255, or for example for now it is 100, and the ID will be auto increment, and this one. Then the price is integer, maximum tickets is integer, item order also integer, it is okay. And you must have to give a price, item order and maximum tickets for all the cases, so nothing is nullable. Okay, so click on save button. You see the packages table is created, and these are the fields here. So okay, now I am going to work with the sidebar. Here you see there is a blog. If I want to go to my sidebar, you see this is my sidebar. 2 icons are similar, so here I can change the icon here, FA window restore, refresh. You see I changed the icon here, and the pricing I can put in the top because this is an important section. So I can put the pricing after the organizer, before accommodation, it is okay. I can do that. So just copy this, and here after the organizer I am going to use the pricing means here what will be the page name. Here I can give the name package, so package.php, package add. In this way you can give the name, so package, and here also package.php. So here what I will do is, in the admin I am going to work with package.php, and then admin package add.php, then in the admin I am going to give package edit.php, and there will be another one, that is package delete.php. So like this. So I am going to close all this. Package is okay, and in the sidebar package, here I am going to change the name, the tag name. That means the tag icon I am going to change. Refresh, you see this is package. Okay, so click here, package.php page will come. So in the package.php page, what I will follow, for example, the video section I am going to follow here. So copy the data from here, paste it here. So here it will be packages, and here will be package add, new package you can add here, and here will be the name. So first one will be name, and then you can show the price, you can show here the maximum tickets, and here you can show the item order, so order. Then you can here also show another important thing I will show here, that is the package detail, right? So detail or something like that I put here. I will work with that later, no problem. So now from the packages table here, packages, I will show all the data. Order by, here it will be item order, order by item order ascending. Here I am going to remove this one, and here the first one will be name, then this will be price, and price will be in USD here. So if you want, you can show here the dollar symbol, and after that there will be maximum tickets. So here I will write maximum tickets, okay, and here it will be package edit, and this one. So okay, let's refresh it. Yes, it is here. Now click on add new, so package add will come here. So in the package add, what I will add, in the package add I am going to copy the video add section. So from here copy the data, and the package add, paste it, add, here it will be add package, and this will be package.php page, and here it will be name, so package name, then package price, so this will be name, this will be price, and then there will be maximum tickets item order, so maximum tickets. So here it will be maximum tickets, and here will be order, so it will be in my case item order. So it is okay. So submit, after submission it will come here. First item will be name, so name cannot be empty. Similar, here will be price, price cannot be empty. Then there will be maximum tickets cannot be empty, and item order cannot be empty. And into I will insert the data into the packages table. Here will be name, after name there will be price, then maximum tickets, and then item order. So total 4 items, 1 2 3 4. So here name, and then price, and after that these 2 items, maximum tickets and item order. And here will be package, and the following it will be package. Okay, so let's refresh it. You see name, price, maximum tickets, order, submit. You must have to give all the data. So I am going to give the name standard for first one, and price for example $9, maximum tickets 10, random order, I'm going to give the order 1, submit. You see data is added here, but here are more items. Okay, so you see data is inserted here. Okay, so here the problem is, here more item are here, that is the detail. So here the detail I will work with that later for something. Now I am going to show it. Refresh, name it, price it, maximum ticket, order. So order is not here, so I am going to give the order. So this is item order. See if I give here, yes, it is working. Now I can add another one, that is business package, premium package, etc. So let's apply another one. This is for example $19, maximum tickets is equal to 14, order 2, submit, edit. And another one is premium, so premium order 39, maximum tickets 5, for example order is 3. So click on submit, another one is added. Now I am going to work with the edit section, and you see there is a edit button. So in the package I am going to add a sample one, for example this one, 1 1 1. Okay, submit. So you see the data is inserted here. If I go here, I will be able to add this one. So here what I can do is, in the package edit I am going to open, and video edit is an option. I am going to copy the data from here and package edit, paste it. So here it will be from the packages I get all the data, and this is package, edit package, and this is package. Okay, so here it will not be here, so I am going to remove it. So in the package edit, package add, there are totally 4 items, so I copy that, paste it here, my 4 items, and here I will just use the value. So first value is this, so here paste it. It will be actually the name. Similarly I am going to paste it here, here, and here. The last, these 2 items not needed. Okay, so second item is price, this is maximum tickets, and this is item order. So form update. So when it will be updated, it will come here, it will check for verification, and it will back to the package.php. And in the form update I will do the same thing, checking here like this. So here just check like this one, and then when update, then packages, and here will be name, then there will be another one that is price, then there will be another one that is maximum tickets and item order. And here will be similar thing, that is the post of name, then post of price, post of maximum tickets, and post of item order, and then this. And this one will be package.php, and here it will be package.php. So I think all the things are okay. Now just make to change it, update. Sorry, what happened, the name here M missing, so M. Okay, so update it, data update successful. So again give it 22, here BB, here 22, here 22, update. You see now the update is working and price is showing in USD. So okay, now what you can do, for example any person give the price to QQ, what will happen? It will say QQ for column price incorrect integer value. That means you must have to give the integer value. Or if you want, you can use here the thing that is another checking. That is, if the price empty, then cannot be empty is okay. Else here you can apply another thing. That is, if not is numeric. That means if the price is not is numeric, then price must be numeric. In this way you can do the same thing for the case of maximum tickets. So here I give the same thing, maximum tickets will be here, price should be numeric. That means maximum tickets should be numeric, maximum tickets should be numeric. Okay, here if will be here, if. So similarly item order you can also give the similar way, that is order should be numeric and name is okay. So price, maximum tickets, item order I am going to copy, and here in the package add I am going to paste from this one. Okay, now there will be a custom message. That means if you give here this, it will show price should be numeric. If you give here this, maximum ticket should be numeric. If you give here this, order should be numeric. So in this way, but here no problem, so it is okay. So update, data update successful. Now I will go to work with the delete option. Okay, so how I can do that? Package delete. Here I am going to copy the data from the video delete, copy, and package delete, paste it. Here it will be packages to verify it. this one is package, and this one is package. So let's do that. If I go to that table, you will see 4 items. Now if I want to delete this one, you see data delete successful, and from the table the item is deleted also. And now if you want to show all the things in this pricing of the home page, what you can do, in this case you can just go to the front end, and here is layout nav, and in this nav you see here is pricing. So I am going to call it here, and this is pricing. And if I call the pricing, then in the htaccess here I am going to copy the data like blog, and here I write pricing. So like this. So now pricing should work, and nav I have fixed this. And where is my pricing? Pricing is this one. This is the front end pricing option, and here you see this is the first item, this is second item, this is third item. So here I can easily show the pricing. So here I am going to remove this one and this one. That means this item should be into a loop. So PHP, here I am going to show PHP select all from packages table, and here will be order by which? Order by item order ascending. Okay, so here it is not needed. I am going to delete this. Total not needed here now. So this one like this, and here I will put this data. So cut it, paste it inside. So like this, format it in good way. Okay, I am just formatting it, nothing else. The standard, this is actually the name. So here I have the name. So from the database I am going to pull the name here, and then the next one is price here. So here you can call the price, and here is the HTML by ticket. I will fix it later, but for now it is okay. So you put name, price, and maximum tickets is actually used for another purpose, and item order already I have used here. Order by item order. Okay, so it will already have been used here. But here you see there are some facilities option here. I will work with that later, but for now let's check it how it looks like. Click on pricing, yes, no error, and .php not here, it is okay, and standard business premium is okay. But here you see all are same in the case of facilities, because these are static section, but these items are now fully dynamic, you see. So if I just make the order, for example business, make it 1, and now standard make it 2, then business will come first, standard will 2. Refresh, you see business is first, standard is 2. So that means the order is actually working, and other things are also working here. So business I am going to make it again 2. Now the another important thing that is needed to add, that is the facilities. You see there are some facilities here, so I need to add the facilities. How I can add the facilities? Actually there are many ways you can do that. When you are going to add the package, then you can make a system here, so that you can click on add row. In this way, new row as a facilities you can do like that, or if you want you can do another way. So I am going to create another separate page to work with the facilities, not here. So I am just going to here, that is actually not detail. I will write here, I am going to close these front end sections now, and here instead of detail, here I am going to give the facilities for example, or only the facility section. Okay, that is also good. And here facility is before the action, that means here. So facility. So here you can use the text manage facility, and here I can call the class can be btn success for example, and btn sm. So if I go here, refresh, you see manage facility section comes here. If I click here, it will take me to another file, for example package facility, package facility.php. okay, so with all other package here, package facility, this page. First of all, I will show all the package facilities, but I will have to add facilities first, and then I can edit or I can update it. So in order to do that, I am going to apply a system. I will need a table, so I am going to create another table here. That will be the package facilities table, package facilities table. okay, so what will be the field names here? Package ID will be inserted here, because here the package ID will is a very important thing. It will be used as a foreign key for this table. So this table will have his own ID, and then there will be a package ID. So 2 items. Another one will be facility name, and status will be merged there, and item order also will be there. So 5 items. So I give here total 5 items. And in these 5 items, first this table ID, that will be auto increment and primary key, and package table ID I will insert here, that will be the package ID. So package ID will be here, and the facility name is important here, so I give here the name as a name, and then I will use the status, for example yes or no. That means, you see, in the case of facilities, there is yes. If he will get this facility, yes, then green mark. If he will get this facility, no, then it will cross mark. So there will be 2 types, yes or no. So I write here, that is the status, yes or no. So varchar will be here 3, yes or no. Yes, yes, total 3 characters, no 2 characters. So here I can use the 3. Here I can use the 100, because this is a name. Package ID is integer is okay, and last it will be item order of this table. Which table? This is the package facilities table item order. I just put here. So here actually nothing, no data is optional, so this is okay. Now click on save. This table will be created. So this one. Now when I will click here, that means if I click on the manage facility, this button where it will take, I will be taken to the admin URL, then package facility.php. But when I will go in that page, there will be an ID, and this ID will be echo, that will be this package ID. So getting this taking this ID, I will go to package facility page, and in the package facility page I can show like this. So I am going to copy the package add table data here, and add facilities for this package, and the package name I will show here. And here go back to the previous page is okay. Here I can show back to previous, okay. And here first in the top you see this one, so this is okay. I am not going to change it. This name will be facility name, and there will be a status, and for the status I can use the select thing here, class equal to form select, and here will be yes or no. So here I go to select the option yes, here will be yes, or here will be no, and this one will be status. So status will be this one, so status, and this is the name, and there will be another one, that is order, right? So here I am going to give here, that is item order or order, but here the name will be item order. So here I give item order. So all other things I am going to remove, and submit is okay. Form submit, and here when I will enter into this page, I will have some data needed. I am going to edit option, and here going to check, going to verify if really there is any ID by this name. I am going to verify it. So if total, if not total, then it will take the user back to the previous page. Otherwise the data will be here. So result will be here, result equal to statement face all. So this result means the existing data, right? So here the existing package data. So here I can call the package data. So package data means here I am going to show using the PHP echo. Here will be package data variable 0 of name, then the package name will be shown here. So okay, let's go there, refresh. You see that for the business I am going to add the facility. You see, add facilities for this package business. If you go back, if you click here, add facilities for this page standard. So there will be name, then there will be a status, and then there will be a order. Simple. So now I am going to add the facilities here. So when I am in this page, I have the package data, package ID in my hand. So keep in your mind about this. So here order, name and status. So after submit, form add, here I can call form facility add. Okay, so form facility add I am going to call here, and name, then there is a status. Item order is okay, and I will have to select status, but as this is a select option, so I am not going to give here any select. But if you want, you can, for security, you can give it, that is status. So status cannot be empty, you can give here, no problem. So item order is okay. So in the package facilities table, I am going to add the data. So first one is package ID, then name, and then there will be a status here, name, status and item order. So package ID, name, status, item order. So 4 items. So package ID, which is the package ID? So I have the package data in my hand. So the package ID will be actually here, that is package data 0 of ID. Or as I come here required by the request ID, you can also call here the request ID, that is also okay here. So request of ID is okay. Then there is a name, so name you can give here, then status you give here, and then item order. Data insert is successful. I will go back. If there is successful or any error, I will back to the same page. So package facility.php, in this page I will always back. So it will be package facility, and question ID equal to the request of ID here. So request of ID. So the same thing will be here. So I copy and paste the data here. And when it will be added, then where the data will be shown. For example, I add it here, but where will it be listed? I can do it into the right side or into the left side. If you want in the same page, you can add, or in the bottom you can make the listing. It actually depends how you want to handle this one. So I am going to add facilities for this package. Okay, instead of add facilities, I can give here manage facilities. Okay, so manage facilities for this package standard, and here I give here call MD6, not 12. And similarly here I use another one in the top, and here it will be div like this, another one like this, another one like this. So here I put it. So this is another card body, and here I will show the data. So I am going to the package.php, and here it is a big thing. So I am going to the video, and here you see in the card body the table responsive start from here and end here. I copy it from here, and in the package facility I paste it, but not this type of data. Here will be name, and here will be a status, and there will be here order. So name, status and order. So select all from package facilities, and what will be here? I am coming here after sometimes, just remove it. So first one is name, and then there will be a status, and then there will be item order. So item order will be here. And this one, if you want to add it or not, it depends how you want to manage it. So I am going to make it close for now. Here, as there is admin URL, I am now going to make it close. Okay, so the complete URL anchor I am going to remove for now, otherwise it can be make a problem. For now it is okay. Select all from package facilities. Where, here I will have to use where ID, not ID, where package ID, where package ID equal to what, I will have to show it. And order by item order ASC, because in the package facility the same field is there, item order. And where package ID is equal to which one, that is the request, that is request of ID. Here I give the ID here. So this is okay, and the data will be shown here. So it should not be a problem at all. Refresh, and here you see, actually I do not need to have the data table option. Normal table is good for it. Okay, so name, and here I can make it less, that means here I can make it 8, column D8, and here I can make it 4. So it will be better like this. So add here and show here. So you can add the facilities from here, and that will be shown in this place. So in this way you can show it, or instead of showing everything like this, you can just list the facilities. It actually depends how you want to show the data. Okay, here if you want, you can completely remove the T head from here if you want. So it actually depends, but okay, now it is here. That is not a problem at all for me. So I am going to add it, and when I will add it, let's check it if it works or not. I am going to give here, for example, this one, standard, no, it's not a standard, access to all sessions. This one, status is yes, order is on, for example, data is added. You see in the same page I back, and here is this access to all sessions, status is yes, and unlimited drink and coffee, and here I give here order is 2, here this one, and here you see lunch facility, no lunch facility, for example. So here status I will have to give no. So give here, this is order 3, but here it will be no. You see no is coming. And the last one is meet with speakers. So here I can give meet with speaker 4 and no. Submit, you see this. If I need to up down anything, for example, this one I should bring here, and this one in the top, and also status if I need to edit. So edit option is very important here. So what I can do, I can bring this edit option in this place. So if I refresh, you see the edit comes here. How I can edit this one? So if I click on edit, here is actually no form here. Okay, what I can do is I can make here a pop-up. So that will be better if I make here a pop-up. So in my form, not form, I have a table, you know. So table, in my table I have a pop-up option here, modal fed. So I can use the modal here. So from here copy it, and here in the edit section I am going to add database modal and modal on. Okay, and modal starts from here and ends here. So I copy it. So here I am going to copy and put it inside the loop. Here I can put the modal here. So here you see modal on and modal on, but here I will have to give a unique ID for each iteration. So here instead of modal 1, I am going to give here modal of like this echo row of here, sorry, not row, echo I will be here. Okay, so this will be unique, and the data I will get here, that is edit facility, for example. This one will come, and here in order to edit the data, what I will use here. So that means if I click here, something will come here and you can edit. So I need actually name, status and order. So if I want to use that, first one is name. So here I give it the name, and instead of this there will be a box. So name equal to name, form control, and existing one I put here. So name is added here. Okay, as the second one I am going to copy, and then there will be a status. So name, status, all will be required field. So like this, and the status will be select. So class equal to form control, and here it will be a status like this. Okay, and here will be option. So option is yes, but here you see I add if row status equal to yes, then only selected. You can also write here into one single or in this way, no problem. Status if yes, then it will be selected, and if no, then no will be selected. I am not going to change anything here now. So the last item is order or item order. So the name will be here item order, and existing item order will be loaded here. So let's do that. Refresh. You see order comes, it comes. Yes, everything is working, but here a gap should be in the top. So in the name, here padding top 10, margin bottom. Here if I give 10, how it looks like, no, here padding bottom 10. So like this I am going to try to use like this. So refresh. Yes, but here you see the problem. So not here like this. I am going to understand what is happening here. You see after the form there should be a gap like the top, right? So after the form, that means margin bottom, not here. I am again going to check where there is border. Border is actually used here. Actually border not needed at all. Border is not needed. Why? What is needed border? Because this is not a list item, this is a simple item. So here it is okay. Form control, not form control, it will be form select. Then I will understand that this is a select box. Okay, yes. So name, status, and this one, now you can use it. And in the case of level, you see something happens. So margin top 5 pixel I can put in the case of level. Okay, so level I put it here. So let's check it again. Yes, now it is a bit down and in the center. Okay, so name, status and order, and then there should be a submit button, and here I am going to copy it again, and this level I am going to make it empty, and here I will go to apply a submit button type submit. Here class equal to btn primary btn sm, and here will be submit, and here you can give the name, form facility edit for example, or update, form facility update. You can give here the submit. Okay, so submit button, it is very low, very small. So I make it like this. Now it is okay. So instead of submit, you can show here update. That is better. So now let's check it, refresh, you see update. So I can update anyone. So if I load it, you see no and for selected, so it is working. So when I will update the data, actually I will have to pass with all other information. For example, here you see all the data update, but where is the form? How I can update the form, right? So I will have to use here a form. That means like this one where I added, that means the adding this one I'm going to copy, and here the form start here model body, so here I can use the form, no problem, and that will be ended here, the form will be ended here. So I use a form here. When I will use a form here, all the data I will send to the page where I am in there now. So what I will do, that is form facility update. So I will run the update query. So I am going to video edit, and here where there is update query, I am going to copy the data from here, and in my form after the form facility add, I add the form facility update. And in the update I will also have to check like this one, so I am going to copy, and here form facility update I will have to check the name, status and item order like before. And here you see update videos, here not update videos, here it will be package facilities. Which one will be set? I will update the name, status, and I will update the item order. So here it will be name, and there is a status, so like this, and there will be item order. Request ID I already have. Data update successful. Where it will back? It will back to the previous page like this. Always it will back here, right? So like this. So I go here, refresh it. Okay, now you see that I want to change. For example, lunch facility I want to make 2, and unlimited I want to make 3. So unlimited it is 3, I want to make it 3. Update. And lunch facility, sorry, something mistake happened here. Sorry, there is something mistake. Where ID, this is the mistake here. I will have to send the ID, not the request. Here you see all the data I am going to pass from here. When I am going to edit the facility, I have the name, I have the status, and I have the order. But another important thing that I will pass here is the ID. Which ID? The ID means the package facilities table ID, not package table ID. It will be package facilities table ID. So here I can call the PID, for example. You can give any name. So here package facility table ID, so PFID, for example, I give here PFID, package facility table ID, so PFID. So this ID I will have to take using the hidden form, and after taking it to here, as I have that ID, I will update the package facility where ID equal to the post of PFID. Now it should work. I made the mistake. That means here 2 items now have been similar. So access to session, I again change it. So let's do that again. Refresh. First one, make this. For example, this one. Okay. So this one I want to make unlimited. I am going to fix first everything. So it was first. Then this one, it was 2 actually. This was 2. You see it is okay. Lunch facility 3 and then 4. Okay. Now let's do that tricks again. So I want to make it 3 and this one 2. So 3 to make 2 and unlimited this, it I make 1 to 3. Now you see unlimited come to 3 and lunch is up and this is down. So in this way you can just shift the items. Now I am going to make it 3 and again I am going to make it 2. So it backs to previous state again. Yes and no. So in this way I can edit the data. Similarly you can delete the data. So how I can delete the data? Here you see I am now going to make it available. So here I am going to delete this information, and here you see are you sure? So you can make it in many ways. So you can again call a model and ask there, are you want to sure delete this data. In this way you can also send the data. So in this way what I will do, I am just going to call another model, exactly same thing what was here. So I am going to copy and paste it here. So it is just not primary, it will be denser, and here instead of model, here I give another on name model delete. This is the ID name here, and instead of this is the trash. Probably this was trash. I am going back again a bit. Trash, yes, this was a trash, so I replace it. Okay, so model delete. So like this, what was here, this was the model content here, so copy it. So model delete, for the model delete this content I give here model delete. So here is delete confirmation. Here I can see delete confirmation. Here is model called. Here PFID is also okay, but there will be no other data. So I am going to delete every data from here. Just I will submit here. This will be delete. So delete and delete. And here what you can write. Okay, let's check it how it looks like. Refresh. If I want to delete confirmation. Are you sure want to delete this data? Here I will write yes, but here the data will be like this. It is okay, but group of rows, I am going to copy this data from top and paste it here. I will write here is 12 for example, and here delete this on, and directly I am going to write are you sure want to delete this information, delete this facility. So like this you can write. So refresh. Are you sure want to delete this facility? Yes. You can just click on yes and this will be deleted. Very simple. So yes, you can do that, and in that case here I can remove it and put it 12. So now you can do that, it is better looking. Okay, so in this way, and margin bottom, margin top not needed here. Refresh. Yes, now it looks better. So if I click on delete, what will happen? Again the form will be submitted with this form facility delete, and there will be the PFID again in my hand. So I will do what? So I am going to copy this again, and after the edit here I am going to delete the information. Delete. So how I can do the delete operation? Just remove everything. Here the delete query I will need. So from any other place I am going to apply the delete query. That means this 2 line, and here I am going to write like this. So delete from package facilities where id equal to post of PFID. So post of here is PFID. So like this. So it is okay. Data delete is successful, and I will go come back to this page again. So this is good. Now I am going to refresh. If for example I want to remove the lunch facility, so click here, click on yes, you see this is deleted. And if I go here, you see lunch facility is not here. So I am going to again add here, that is lunch facility, and I am going to give the order 3 with no. So it will come again in the position 3. So in this way I can add for the business. For the business what I will do, you see here is total 3 and here is total 4. So the same thing I can do. For example, for this standard total yes, yes, no, no, and I am going to open the new tab, and for the business I am going to add this. So first one is yes in this case, apply. The second one is this here, again yes. So here I am going to give yes 2. Okay, and then another one is lunch facility. Here it was no, but in the business it will be yes. So 3 will be yes here. Okay, only the last one will be no. Meet with the speaker will be no here. So here it will be no, and the item is 4. So this is the business. So for business, yes, 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 and no. And for a standard, yes, yes, no, no. And for the another one, that is the premium, if I go here, all will be yes here. So I copy from here, for number 1 yes. Then the second item, here I am going to give here 2. This is yes. Here I give the lunch facility. So here 3, it will be also yes. And the last one is meet with the speakers. Here it will be also 4 and yes. So for premium, all will be yes. So let's check it again. You see, for the standard, yes, yes, no, no. For the business, yes, 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 no. And for the premium, yes, 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 yes. So all will be yes. So backend functionality is done. Now I am going to show all the data that I have added here in the package. For example, all the facilities in the front end. In the front end, you see I already have the pricing page, and all the data that I have added here, all are static. You see everything are same, right? So now I am going to the front end again. So let's go there. I am going to the pricing. Here you see these are the pricing items and these are static, right? So here I am going to call another loop here, loop inside loop. So like this, here I am going to call PHP select like this. So when I am going to get all the package one by one from the packages table, then getting I will take the ID from the packages table, and taking that ID, I will go to the package facilities table. So from the package facilities table, I will get data where here I will use where package ID equal to the ID that is here into row of ID. And here I call order by item order ascending. Okay, but here the variable that I use here, I will not use the same variable here. So here I can use another variable, q or statement on, whatever you can call here. Here is result as row. So here I am going to call res instead of result. So here call the res. And here total, I'm going to remove the total, not needed for now. And instead of row, I call here the item. Just change the variable. Okay, where package ID equal to this. Okay, item. So here I will write the data inside here. So which data? The li and this one. This is the main data that I will put inside here. But here the times or check, this I will need to check. To change. So here I am going to check if for example, if the item of a status, if the item of a status equal to yes, then what will I will give a variable here, the temp variable for example, and here I will write it that is check. It is okay, I can call it the check. Check means tick mark, right? Tick mark means when yes. Else, that means else I will write here that temp equal to times. So this temp variable I will use in this case. Instead of check, I will use the temp variable here. And all the data I am going to remove from here, and this is the name. So this will be the item of name. And order by already have been used here, so it should work. So let's refresh it. You see tick mark, double cross, tick, and then cross, and here is all the tick marks. So it is perfectly working without any problem. So this pricing, if I go to the home page, there is the same pricing here. So what I did in the case of pricing page, I am going to do the same thing in the index page, that means the home page. So in the home page, this is the pricing. So this is actually the loop items. So I am going to remove the others. I am going to remove here, that is here, this one. Okay, so this is the loop item. So inside this, I am going to copy this item, and in the index, instead of this, I am going to replace it, because the same class have been used here, so I can easily replace it. Okay, so let's go to the home page, refresh. You see now 9, 19, and this is loaded, and this is also working here. So the pricing section is completely done.